Braydon is wrapping up his third internship here at MSS Engineering, and today I'm going to check in with him and see how his summer went. So we can get started with the basics. You can just introduce yourself with like your name, where you're from, where you go to school, and what you're studying.
So my name is Braydon Kennedy. I'm from Garrett, Indiana, not very far from here. I go to Anderson University, and I'm a mechanical engineering major.
All right. You've officially got another summer under your belt. If you had to give me just one word to describe your summer here at MSS, what would it be?
I would say intriguing and helpful. I know that's two words, but
That's fine.
yeah. So just to add on to that, it's helped me realize what aspect I want to do in engineering. When I first got out of high school, I was kind of contemplating either civil or mechanical, and just through this process, it's just helped me make up my mind on which direction I wanted to go.
Mm-hmm.
So,
yeah, that's awesome. And then like sort of going off of that, what is one thing you've worked on either in the office or out on the field that caught you by surprise maybe?
I would say in the office, just a lot of like the code that we have to follow. There's a lot of like stuff with like stuff you wouldn't realize, like the different type of size windows you have to have, and just stuff like that, or like ADA compliances and stuff like that. That's there's a lot more than I thought there was. So yeah.
Yeah. And then you said this isn't your first time interning here, so I'm curious, like, what made you keep coming back summer after summer?
Yeah, so basically it was fun. I had a good time the last couple of times I did it, and I also had connections here already, so it was also easy to just come back here. So, yeah.
And then what would you say is the biggest difference between engineering in a college classroom and then doing it in the real world?
I would say biggest difference. I would say in the college classroom, obviously it's a classroom, so I'm learning more in the college classroom, and in like while I'm actually working, I'm putting to work what I know. So like I know these things, so then I'm using those to create the different projects that we're doing here. And then, like I said, at school, it's more learning stuff that I don't know yet.
Right. And then the last thing before I let you get back to work is, what is the number one thing you've sort of valued learning throughout your time here?
I would say just being on top of everything. Just making sure that when I'm assigned work, I'm doing that work, and just making sure I'm keeping up with or trying to keep up with like emails and just contact between all the team members here. Just making sure that I'm doing what I'm supposed to be when I'm supposed to be doing it. So, yeah,
that makes sense. Thank you, and thanks everyone for following along as you learned about our intern.